Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting race cars in the grassroots motorsport scene, the Toyota GR Cup car. Built for the track, bred from the GR86, and born out of Gazoo Racing's obsession with performance. This is the kind of machine that turns everyday racers into weekend heroes. Let's hit the track and break it down. The GR Cup is Toyota's turnkey race car developed specifically for the single-make GR Cup racing series, sanctioned by SRO America. Based on the road-going GR86, this beast is stripped, tuned, and track-ready right from the factory. And in 2025, Toyota has fine-tuned it even further. Under the hood sits a 2.4-liter naturally aspirated flat-4 boxer engine, tuned specifically for racing. While the street GR86 puts out around 228 horsepower, the GR Cup version has been massaged for more performance and reliability under extreme conditions. Toyota hasn't released exact output numbers, but trust us, trips. Coupled with a safe sequential transmission, lightweight racing clutch, and a motorsport-grade ECU, the power delivery is sharp, raw, and ridiculously addictive. It's not about big numbers here, it's about balance, response, and seat-of-the-pants feel. The chassis is where the GR Cup car truly shines. You get a fully adjustable motorsport coil-over suspension, Brembo racing brakes, and a full suite of telemetry sensors. The car is light, agile, and absolutely locked in through the corners. With a stripped interior, roll cage, racing seat, and data systems, it's race ready from day one. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a serious amateur, this car gives you the feedback and confidence to push to the limit. Inside, it's all business. No infotainment, no AC, just a Motec digital dash, racing wheel, and essential switches. A fire suppression system and FIA-certified safety cell keep drivers safe during the heat of competition. The GR Cup series is growing fast, with races across North America, real prize money, and manufacturer support. This isn't just a track day toy, it's your ticket into real motorsport. And the best part? It's relatively affordable for what it offers. For around $100,000, you get a factory-built race car, tech support, and access to one of the most competitive one-make series around. It's grassroots racing done the right way. The Toyota GR Cup car isn't just a track weapon, it's a statement. A statement that motorsport is still alive and accessible. Toyota is proving that performance isn't just for the elite, it's for anyone with the passion and the skill to take the wheel. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car content, and let me know in the comments, would you take the GR Cup to the track? Until next time, keep it pinned and stay fast.